Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one that's about a square. This one that's about b square. So we can write into 2x minus y multiplied by 2x plus y. Next, we need to simplify by 2x minus y on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 0 on here and here. And you got about 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.